Using a small pick, you want to go right underneath the edge of this little cap right here. Once you get a little bit of space, go ahead and use your trim tool here. I'm going to go ahead and separate that. And then pull the whole lock button out. Grab the trim panel. As you work your way down, just pull it out. Set that aside. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, go ahead and remove the upper screw. Move down to the lower one and remove this one as well. Now I want to go ahead and disconnect all of your lights. And go ahead and take your bulb. Line up the notches on there. Just turn it, you'll hear it pop into place. Pop that one in. Take this harness, press it on, you'll hear it click. Next, you want to go ahead and take the mounting studs that are positioned on the taillight and line them up with the positions in the body. Once they're lined up, go ahead and gently push in. Install your 2 Phillips head screws. When they bottom out, just snug them just a little bit more. Repeat for the top. Taking your trim panel, you want to make sure that the bottom little plastic grommets here line up with the inserts on the tail light. Line it up. Gently push inward. And take your plastic lock, insert, push the button in.